What's up, subscribers? Exciting day. We are at the track. The black car is here. That's not racing till later. Right now, we're gonna go take this thing. Or Rob, rather, is gonna take this thing.
What's up, guys?
First turbo rips. Twin turbo 5.3 LS. It's twin Borg Warner S366s in behind the grill there. And we're gonna see what it can do today. And have a good time in the process, so let's go.
We're gonna go make our first pass. I got the 9-pound springs in there, which I had last year, but I never got to make a pass. Well, I did make some 8-mile passes, but no time passes. So we're gonna see what it does on the 9 pounds. Got my helmet on, my stupid glasses. Might be a pain in my ass. Do this.
Wow. 136, 988. 9 pounds of gas.
Good though. Thanks. Yes. Yeah, buddy. Woo! So we went 988 at 136. It's on like 10 pounds of boost. Pump gas. Just a little street car, you know.
Well, dang.
Bad, eh? Fuck, it left like a rocket. And it's still only 60-foot 150.
Huh.
But yet it felt like it.
Fast here, yeah.
Like I tried to leave with lots of boost. You know, I think it was close to like 10 pounds. I kind of sat there to let the boost build up.
Wow.
Nice.
Pump gas tune.
Pump gas tune.
Just the street tune.
I'm good with that.
9-second street car once again with turbos.
When I looked at the fuel table before I made my pass, it's like, you know, whatever, and then it leans out at the top end kind of. And I was like, well, I'll just leave it and see how it is. But I'll probably add fuel there. Like I said, I still don't know if that, I mean, I don't know if that fuel table, I don't even remember, like, because I was comparing with other people's fuel tables and that. And so I don't know if I kind of just copied some stuff or if I just kind of made it up and I don't, you know what I mean? So I think I'll have to, like I said, it leans, like at the higher RPMs, the fuel leans, like the VE table leans out. So I'll probably add some fuel at the top and then. But I don't know, it only 60 foot of 150.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But it felt like it.
Well, you carried the front end too.
the ground?
Oh yeah.
Both tires?
Really? Oh.
I thought one tire. I was kind of watching the camera though. It's hard.
If you're on the other, this one's probably more on the other side.
Yeah.
It didn't feel like it to me.
Yeah, the tire, I saw the tire working, I remember.
And I was able to reach the camera, no problem. So. Maybe it was taking those turbo guards off that got me all that extra.
Yeah.
Wow, the 4 pounds of boost probably.
So 4 more pounds?
Yeah.
No turbo guard.
Yeah.
Everything else is the same.
Yeah. Well, I changed the tune a little bit. At 10 pounds of boost, I had 16 degrees, so I put it down to 50, like I pulled a degree of timing. Kind of going by that Matt's timing thing, you know? Oh, I think I left the camera.
Doing some super tuning?
Trying. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just kind of playing it by ear.
This car has the Mega Squirt 3 Ultimate Pro. Amazing, if you guys didn't know. That has a long name. So you're just gonna have a little more fuel, a little more boost. So basically we're gonna run back that last run, and it didn't really pick up a lot of mile per hour on the top end, so we're hoping some fuel changes are gonna fix that.
We're hoping. Maybe. Oh shit, I'm still plugged in. All right guys, second pass. Just added some fuel. See what happens. Maybe I'm hitting the rev limiter. I don't know. Kind of forgot the camera was on there.
What?
Make another pass.
Yeah?
I think it, I don't know if it nosed over a bit first, or I went off the rev limiter. I don't know where my rev limiter's set at. Okay, here we go. We'll give her another try. Turn the rev limiter or the shift light back down a little bit.
There we go. 978, 135. Picked up a little ET left bit there. Wheels up.
That left fucking hard. Hard as a motherfucker. Woo woo! Alright guys, that one felt really good. I held on till it was making about 10 pounds. I left with 10 pounds. I shifted at like 65 that time to make sure that I wouldn't hit like the rev limiter. I'm thinking that's what it was doing, and fuck, she felt really good. Pump gas, baby. I go through the traps pretty, like my shift light comes on, 6500 shift light comes on. My converter must be slipping too much on the top. It's definitely time for a new converter. I'm really happy with that. Whatever that pass was, I think it was probably pretty good. It felt good. It left super hard, like it carried the tires, felt like forever. Never made back-to-back passes like that before. Thanks. Nice. 978 at 135, so it went faster. 141 60 foot. I'm really happy with the 60 foot. That's good. How'd that one look?
Good.
Felt good. Like it felt like it left really nice.
Yeah, I'm
Like
glad I got the
did it
front
carry
view.
the tires good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it felt like it carried them out. So that first pass, it went 984, 135, and then the 142 60 foot. 60
There we
foot
go,
that
yeah.
Picked up, and then the last pass, the 60 foot was 141.
Do you up your two-step at all?
No, I stayed on it like building boost until, you know what I mean? Like I just keep it until I hit 10 pounds, about 10 pounds or whatever, like 9-10 pounds, and then I just let the brake go. But the air fuel is way better now.
Yeah.
Now it was like 11.8, 12.0, and then I think at one point it kind of went 12.3 or something, but better than it was.
Perfect.
Yeah, and both passes I watched the air fuel and it stayed pretty good. So
Now what?
78.
And the right rear definitely is
Really?
lower. Like visibly just going up to the box.
Like you said, that Caltrack thing that might have
Oh, maybe
moved.
I'll have to look at it.
The car goes straight, leaves straight. It's
Yeah,
Yeah.
just-
You don't have to like steer it at all, right? It's
No,
good.
no.
Yeah.
This thing drives so good, like down the. I got a vibration, which is probably my tires because they're not balanced. Really.
Yeah.
So I probably should balance the tires, but other than that, it felt good.
Time for the big boost.
Yeah, maybe.
What you doing?
When I was doing my pre-race check, I noticed that this Caltrack bar was loose. So then I tightened it up, and I thought I adjusted it good, but apparently I made it way too tight. And now the preload is way too much, which is making the car leave crooked. All right, guys, I'm gonna make another pass. I just turned the rev limiter up, so I'm gonna try shifting it higher, see what that does. They're down to one lane because a car broke. Guess it messed up the track. We'll try this left lane today. I shifted higher. I don't know, we'll see if that made a difference. I didn't go through the traps with the shift light on, setting it at 7, so might have been the car might have been a little hotter than I would have liked it to be, but still not bad. Like I left it was at like 180 or something. Everything else looked good. Oil pressure, air fuel ratio looked good. I got my throttle cable sticks a little bit for some reason. I'm not really sure what's up with that, but I have to look at that. Well, it only went 991 that pass, so maybe it didn't like the shifting it higher. Um, 60 foot was still 144, so yeah, I don't know. And mile an hour was like the same. Not bad though.
What's up, Mike?
Hey, Mike.
How's that? Rob just got back from making an 899 pass.
Oh
Yeah,
At
we
100.
forgot the GoPros, but
99 mile an hour
Really? Yeah.
on the back level.
Big
399 miles an hour.
big top end charge.
So that'll be a day for the Nova.
Mission accomplished.
Successful day.
Some days you have good days.
It's what I was hoping for, anyways.
Yeah, and to
I wanted to
recap,
go 9's on 9 pounds, and I went 9's on 9 pounds.
the last time he brought it here, it was on 6 pounds on pump gas, around 1050,
well, 1049.
1049.
So I picked up a lot, only going up like 3 pounds.
Over 7 tenths.
Yeah. So I'm happy with that. But I think I need a converter, so I have to hit up PTC for one of those and turn the boost up next time. I'm in no rush to just, you know,
Boost ain't going nowhere.
go all ham on it, as they say nowadays. The new thing, they say.
Yeah, all the new
Ham.
things.
I don't know what that means.
So if
Eating a
you're
ham.
new to the channel, it has a 9-inch rear end with stock suspension, leaf springs with Calitrac bars, as you saw earlier. Full exhaust right now.
Talking about big exhaust.
Always has full exhaust. It's
Yeah.
a street car, man.
Yeah.
It's got to be legal. It's got to be ready for cruising.
5.3 LS, a back seat. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. I think we've mentioned basically all it has. The engine's basically stock bottom end. Has cam,
RFG
springs.
Yeah, it's pretty good for a stock, basically stock engine. I would say, anyways.
Yes. So
And
now,
on pump gas. I never had a car on pump gas that would go that fast. So.
yeah, like 10, 15 years ago, that'd be world record.
Huh?
Or I don't know how fast they going on pump gas.
When I had my 355 in here, and it had 12-to-1s and fancy aluminum heads and a 250 shot, the fastest I ever went was 975, I think, with that motor.
Yeah.
And I thought that was insane. And that was on, 114 octane race gas and nitrous, and this is on 94 octane Husky pump gas.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that. Honestly, if that's as fast as it ever went, I'm fine with that.
Oh, it's got more.
Oh, I know it has more, but I like the idea of being able to come out here and run on pump gas and then go home afterwards. That's awesome. And cheaper. Gas is expensive. I did buy 5 gallons of race gas, but I guess I'll save it for next time.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Like, if you like, I don't know. Say the same
Like
stuff.
if you
I'm so
like.
sick of saying this
Comment
stuff.
if you want to comment.
It helps us. So, yeah,
Subscribe if you have.
this is what we do. So,
What we do.
we'll see you later.
Hear the fury
Check
of
you
the
later.
junior dragsters behind us.
Yeah, junior dragsters. And we out.
Check you later.
That left fucking hard. Hard as a motherfucker.